My blue electricity is not yours, fat man.
Get off! This is mine! No! I had it first! No! I ain't giving it! No! No! Now go put that thing back!
No.
Alright, I'll do it. Hold on, let me get it real quick.
Hey, hurry up with that thing. We got a duty. We get off in 3 hours. If this ain't complete, then we're in trouble. The box.
I didn't get it yet. Stop.
Okay, you can have it. You can have the blue electricity. I'll have the red one, okay? God, help me up. Help me, man. Please, come on, bro. Don't scratch me, man. Come on, help me. Hey, am I gonna get the blue one? Am I gonna get the blue one? Huh? Yeah, you're gonna get the blue one. You get the blue one, okay?
Are you sure about that?
Yes. Yes.
You want me to go pull that lever?
No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, man.
Go pull that lever?
No, no.